Forever Dave, yeah, that's my name. Through highs and lows.
Hey, what's up everyone? It is Dave with Everyday Outdoors, and I wanted to show you the full video of my WildTop soft top truck camper. Now this is with the sides and the back rolled up so that you have full access from either side or the back of your truck. Now currently I just have the sides just flopped up on the top right now just so you can see, but they do roll up, and I'm using the things that they secure with to hold my fishing poles right now. So just an extra little bonus find that I had. I just put this one on my truck. This is a 2022 GMC 2500 HD, and they did not have one for this model of truck because it's the 6'9" bed. So I'm working with WildTop, and this is the second one that we've done. So the first one was a little bit short, so we have redone it. As you can see, we have high quality zippers here. Everything fits perfectly now. I did have to later in this video adjust the side just because one of the zippers was a little bit tight on the one corner, which you'll see that whenever it comes up. But this thing's amazing. It has the roof rack system on the top. This is the only soft top truck cap in the United States that comes with built-in, ready-to-use roof racks. It doesn't require you to use some sort of exoskeleton on the outside of it or whatever other means that you might have, but this thing is amazing. Now, they have three models. This is the Nomad. They have the Scout, which is the entry-level one, and then they've got the Beast, which has even more capability up on the top. So right now I'm just going around just zippering up all the zippers, making sure that the Velcro's on right. Here again, first time fit, so I'll probably make a few adjustments with the clamps on the inside of it to just, there you go. There's the top. So you got your roof racks there. You got these magnets. Believe it or not, these magnets are strong. When I drive down the road with the back rolled up, it does not come off. All right, I should have closed my tailgate first, so this I just did it the hard way, but you know. I love this cap. Like I said, I've had one on here already for about 2 months, and it is amazing. It keeps everything nice and dry on the inside. And here again, this is the zipper that gave me a little bit of hassle initially, but I just made some adjustments on the canvas, and then we got it to secure here in just a minute. You'll see. So this is the WildTop. The link is in the bio. Check it out.